let's talk about some scenarios that describe a correlation for each situation. So, example one, the size of a bag of popcorn and the price of the popcorn. So, here this is the bigger, so think of it as the bigger the bag, the more you're going to pay. So, as the bag gets bigger or increases, the price gets bigger or increases. So, this is a positive correlation. The amount of time spent studying in your test grade. Well, again, the more you study, the better your test grade should be. So, as your time increases, your test grade should increase. This one's also a positive correlation. The number of hours a person has driven and the number of miles driven. So, as time increases, the miles on your odometer is going to increase. So, again, we have a positive correlation. The age of a car and the value of a car. This is just a regular car. So as the age of my car gets older, so the longer I have it, the value is going to decrease. So this one is a negative correlation. The age of a house and the number of people living in the house. These two things have nothing to do with each other, so this one would be called a no correlation. So it doesn't matter how many people are in the house, it's not going to affect the age.